Hey guys, this is Skylar and Peyton here from FUNtastic Kids TV, and we're going to be opening more surprise aids. We can't wait to show you what we got, so let's open them up.
Maybe 10, 3.
Here's Peyton's. Here's Skylar. And we got this from our last video, so don't forget to check that out.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, Littlest Pet Shop.
Littlest shop.
And this was from Littlest Pet Shop too. Yay. Let's see. Let me open this. Oh, I see.
I open it. Oh, Shopkins! Shopkins!
Here.
What?
Here's my other one. Shopkins!
Shopkins!
Awesome! I love Shopkins. So let's see what I got. Thanks.
Okay, and
you open yours.
I got a shoe.
a shoe and something to go inside.
What's your
Bunny.
show me? What's your show me?
Chihuahua?
That's open your other egg, Peyton.
A chihuahua.
Open your other egg.
He looks so cute.
That's a pony.
Is there something to go on?
I want to call mine.
No.
What's your
There should
show
be
me?
something
What's your
else in
show me? What's your show me?
Oh.
What's your show
there.
me,
Hold on, there's one more thing to go on. Hold on.
Wait, no.
Are you sure? It should come with...
No. Her scene was two like mine did. Wait, no.
What's your show me that? Oh, the trash secrets.
Shopkins. Oh,
Okay.
can I have that for a minute?
Okay, half of the time.
So I'm just gonna put that right there for us to
Your
do it
Shopkins,
later.
Peyton. Let's put that, give it to Daddy so he can put that on and you open your Shopkins, okay?
Shopkins, I love Shopkins so much.
Okay,
So
put it on.
cuteness, so much
And
cuteness.
then going back home.
You want Shopkins or that?
I wish this is shocking.
So here's the flyer. There's a ton.
Do you want what? Last time you said you wanted marshmallow.
Actually, I want the rare ones or the baby ones. So let's open them up.
Need help, Peyton?
I think I got this. I've almost got this.
Peyton?
I want drink. I want chocolate.
Peyton wants a drink.
I want a juice.
Here you go, Peyton.
Oh!
I need help.
I want to show me guys.
I'll try to open this one while you're doing that. Never mind, got it.
Ooh, Lena!
I got my kettle again. It's yellow. Yellow, my kettle.
Different one. Peyton got corn.
I got corn.
Peyton got corny cob.
I got this one.
And that,
Look,
that's upside
guys,
down.
what's your show me by kilo?
Who's this?
What's your show me by kilo?
What is that? What
What's
color
your
is that?
show me?
Green and yellow.
Like a baby.
That looks
That's
like-
me.
What's her flyer?
Cauliflower.
No fire.
Cauliflower.
There,
Oh,
that cauliflower is.
Daddy.
really?
I want.
I
What's
wanna
your show
see.
me,
It says
baby?
corny cob.
What's your show me, baby? What's your show me?
What was the other one you got? More kettle.
Uh-huh. The yellow.
The yellow more kettle.
Uh-huh.
Cool. But Peyton got corny cob, and what's the other one, Peyton?
And
Did she open her other one?
No.
Open your other one.
It looks like she got the same thing I did. Or another one of these, kind of. Looks like that.
Need some help?
yeah, open it.
I can open it. I can open it. I know how. Let's see. Wait.
Put your finger to the window.
I did this last time.
Let her open it.
Ice cream!
What's your show me
You want
cream?
to show?
Waffle soup.
That looks like ice cream dream.
Yeah, it is.
Cute.
Awesome. We got really awesome ones today.
Put them in your shopping basket.
Let's go buy some more Shopkins. Where's mine? Oh, my kettle.
My
Your basket's right there, Peyton.
There you go. We're going to shop. I want to go shopping.
Look.
I got a basket of Shopkins.
So she didn't open My Little Pony, did she?
Wait, what?
My Little Pony. It's right there.
What's your show me that pony guy?
Oh,
Did Daddy show?
Show me that pony guy.
Sure.
I want Rainbow Dash.
I thought that's all we got.
Rainbow Dash.
I want Rainbow Dash too for her.
Did you open your other egg, Skylar?
I only got.
Shopkins and what else?
Yeah. Wait, no. Yeah.
Okay, you opened My Little.
I want Cardi. Get Rainbow Dash. Oh, Penny.
What? Let me see.
Pretty.
No,
Can I get it and you can see if we got it.
I got red.
You can see who you got. Oh, it showed her in the back. She has cherry spices. Spices. I don't know.
Nothing.
Ooh.
Show me.
Whoa, that was pretty cool and detailed. So that's what we got today. And we got Shopkins and My Little Pony. And we got My Littlest Pet Shop right here. So that's what we got today. We love sharing our surprise aids with you. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.